So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you don't want to miss
So hello guys,
these
welcome back
goodies,
to the channel,
don't miss
and
the
if you don't
arcade
want to
June
miss
games.
these
So as you can
goodies,
see, we are in the
don't
arcade
miss the
homepage,
arcade
and
June
here
games.
all
As you
June
can
games
see,
are
we are in the
live, and
arcade
here
homepage,
basically
and
we will be
here all
getting
June
11
games are
arcade
live,
points,
and
and
here
for
basically
remaining arcade
we
points,
will be getting
how we
11
learn?
arcade
Don't
points, and
worry,
for
here
remaining
is the
arcade
video
points,
for it,
how we
and I will
learn?
tell you how you
Don't
can
worry,
cover at
here is the
least
video for it,
newest
and I
milestone,
will tell
and if
you
you
how you
want to
can
reach up to
cover at least
trooper or
newest
champion, how you
milestone,
can
and
do.
if you want
So
to reach
first
up
of all,
to
if you're new to this
super
channel, like the
champion,
video
how
and
you can
subscribe
do.
the channel
So first
for
of all,
more
if you're new
such
to this
amazing
channel, like the
content. So
video
as
and
you can
subscribe
see,
the channel
here is
for
the
more
June
such
arcade game,
amazing content.
and
So as
how
you
you
can
can
see,
join the game.
here is the
Basically,
June
you have
Arcade
to just
game,
copy the code,
and how you
click
can
on
join the
start
game.
here,
Basically, you have
and
to
make
just
sure
copy the
you are
code,
signed into your
click on
Cloud
start
Skills
here,
Boost account.
and make
Let me
sure
show
you
you.
are
This is
signed
how
into
you
your
have to
Cloud
sign
Skills
in.
Boost account. Let me show you. This
And
is
once
how
you
you
are
have to
signed in,
sign
you will
in.
be getting a pop-up
And
like
once you
join
are
a
signed
game
in, you
and
will
just
be
enter
getting a
the
pop-up
code here and
like
just
join a
join.
game,
Let
and
me show
just
you.
enter the code here and just join. Let me
So
show you.
this is the way you have to join, and for the games
So
I have
this is the
created
way
a
you have
sheet.
to
So as
join,
you can
and for
see,
the
this is
game
our sheet.
I have
When you
created
will
a
click
sheet.
on
So
this,
as
you'll
you
be
can see,
redirected
this
to
is
the
our sheet.
level
When you will
games
click
like
on this, you'll
this.
be redirected to the level games like this.
So these are the games, and if you want to know where is the
So
solution
these are the
playlist, just
games,
click
and
here.
if you want
Let
to
me
know
show you.
where is
This is
the
the solution
solution
playlist
playlist, just
for
click
base
here.
camp
Let me show
also
you. This
and
is the
for
solution
trivia also.
playlist
Let me show
for
you.
base camp also and for trivia also. Let me show you.
So let's show. It's
So
still
let's
loading, so wait
show.
for it. Meanwhile, I hope
It's
you
still loading,
have
so
at
wait for
least
it.
earned some
Meanwhile,
points.
I
Comment down
hope
below how
you
many
have
points
at least
you have
earned
earned
some
till now.
points.
So
Comment
let's
down below
see.
how
So
many
this is
points
the base camp
you have earned
solution,
till now. So let's
and
see.
this is
So this is the
similarly
base
for
camp
level
solution,
1, and same
and
goes
this is
for
similarly for
trivia also.
level 1,
It's like
and
this.
same
Do
goes
check the
for
channel. And
trivia
now if you
also.
have completed
Let me
all
show you.
the
To check the
skill
channel.
badges,
And
I
now, if you
means
have
all the
completed
level
all
games,
the
you have to
skill
complete
badges,
skill badges.
I mean
So
all the
total
level
we have
games, you
11
have to
arcade
complete
points,
skill
and for
badges.
remaining you
So
need
total
to
we
do
have
at
11
least,
arcade
we
points,
need
and
9
for
arcade
remaining
points more.
you need
So
to
for that
do
you
at
need to
least
do 18
we
skill
need
badges.
9
How will
arcade
find
points
the
more.
skill badges?
So for that
I
you need to
shared
do
the
18
link
skill
of
badges. I will
this
find
sheet
the
in the
skill badges.
description. Just
I
click over
share the
here
link
and
of
you will
this
be
sheet in the
redirected to the
description.
skill
Just
badge
click
list.
over
So
here
here
and
we
you will be
have more
redirected to
than
the
40
skill
plus
badges.
skill
So
badges.
over
As you
here
can see here,
we
all are
have
available
more than
with
40
detailed
plus skill
solution. If
badges. As
any
you can
video is
see
not
here, all
live,
are
do
available
let me know in the
with detailed
comments. I will make
solution.
it
If any
soon.
video is not
Now
live,
for the
do let
first
me know in
thing,
the comments.
we
I
have
will
to
make it
complete
soon.
how many skill
Now for the
badges?
first thing,
18
we have
skill
to
badges
complete
for 9
how
arcade
many skill
points. So
badges?
here you have
18
10
skill
skill
badges
badges.
for
By
9
doing
arcade
10
points.
laps
So
only,
here
you
you
will
have
be
10 skill
able to
badges.
complete
By doing
10
10
skill
laps
badges.
only,
So here is
you
the
will be able
lab
to
name,
complete 10
basically
skill
badge
badges.
name,
So here is
and
the
here is the
lab
detailed
name,
tutorial for it. You
basically
can check
badge
it out.
name,
And
and
if
here is
you
the
don't want to
detailed
just
tutorial for it.
check
You
the
can check
sheet,
it out.
what you can
And
do,
if you
just
don't want
visit the
to just
channel
check
and
the
just check
sheet,
out
what
the
you can do,
playlist.
just
So
visit
this
the
is the
channel
way you have
and
to
just
find
check out the playlist. So this is the
the
way
so
you
hello
can
guys,
do.
welcome. And now if you face any issue,
The
do let me know in the comments. Apart from these, this is the sheet, and these are the swag drops also. If you have participated in the Arcade Facilitator program, make sure to watch it. Now this clears your doubt, and if you want any other tutorial or any other help, let me know in the comments. The summary of the video is that all the games are live and you have very few times, because let me show you, the game is ending on 27th. Sorry, 27th. Yes, 27th of June, and after that you won't be able to complete. So complete all the labs as soon as possible. Here is the sheet. You need any help, to let me in the comments. Do join the Telegram. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead.